Hey friends, if you encounter hypervisor error on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, the first solution is to enable Hyper-V, but you need a Windows 11 professional enterprise computer for this. So search for Windows features in the Windows search bar and click on turn Windows features on or off. Now we will have an option called Hyper-V. I don't have it because I don't have an enterprise computer. You can enable it by checking it and then clicking on OK. The second one is to restart the hypervisor service, Hyper-V service. So search for services in the Windows search bar and click on services to open the window. And now scroll down to the H section. You'll find all of these Hyper-V services here. Right click on each one of them and start them, all of them, one by one. Though it won't work on my system again because it's a home computer. And once you enable all of these, then proceed to the next solution, which is to update drivers. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select advanced options, click on optional and install all optional updates to update the drivers. The next solution is Windows Memory Diagnostic Tool. Now, how do we run this? So to run the Windows Memory Diagnostic Tool, press the Windows key and the R button together to open the run window. Type the command mdsched and hit enter. Now click on restart now and check for problems. And the last solution is an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator in the right pane. Type the command SFC space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.